Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today let us learn about counting functions in DAX. First, let us learn about count function. The count function counts the number of cells in a column that contain non-blank values. So it is applicable to columns and it is applicable to data types, numbers, dates and strings. When the function finds no rows to count, it returns a blank. The blank values are skipped. True or false values are not supported. So let us see it with an example. If you go to the data table, go to products, see here, let us count this cost price column. There are some blank values here. The count function skips these blank values and counts only the non-blank values. So here right click and add new measure. Name it as count. Count equal to count. Select from the drop down from products table cost price column. Click enter. Our new measure is now created. Now let us go into the report view. Select this matrix view and select the count. So the number of values that are non-blank in cost price column are 16. For example, let us change this into sales price. In sales price, we have all the values. Let us see what will be the result. Click enter. If you go into the report view, see. Before in cost price column, we have 16 as count since some of the values are blank. But in the sale price column, we have all the values. So the count is 25. This is how the count function works. So next, let us learn about the count A function. So this count A function counts the number of cells in a column that are not empty. When the function finds no rows to count, it returns a blank. Let us see with an example. Right click on the products column, add new measure. As count A. Count A equal to count A from products columns. Let us select product name. Click enter. Our new measure is now created. Go to report view. Select the matrix view and select count A. So we get the result as 25. This is all about count A function. Now count rows. The count rows function counts the number of rows in the specified table or in an expression. It counts the number of rows in a base table and count the number of rows that result from filtering a table. When the function finds no rows to count, it returns a blank. So let us create measure here and let us count the number of rows in this date table. Right click, add new measure. Count rows. Count rows equal to count rows. Select from drop down. Select date table. Click enter. Our new measure is now created. Go to the report view. Select the matrix and select count rows. See, there are 2100 rows in the sales date column. Rows in the date table. So this is how the COUNTROWS function counts the number of rows in the specified table. Now let us see COUNTBLANK function. The COUNTBLANK function counts the number of blank cells in a column. It is applicable to columns. You can use columns containing any type of data, but only blank cells are counted. Cells that have 0 are not counted, as 0 is considered a numeric value and not a blank. So if no rows are found that meet the condition, blanks are returned. Let us check this one. In the products table, in this cost price table, there are some blank values. So let us count this. Right click here, add new measure. As count blank. Equal to count blank. Select from the drop down, products table, cost price. Click enter. So let us go to the report view. Count blank. Select count blank. See, there are 9 blank values in the cost price column in the products table. So this is about the count blank function. Now next count function, distinct count. As the name itself says, it counts the number of distinct values in a column. So it is applicable to columns and it returns the number of distinct values in a column. You can use columns containing any type of data. When the function finds no rows to count, it returns blank. Otherwise, it returns the count of distinct values. So, let us see with an example. Here in the product class, we have mainly 4 distinct values: standard, elite, premium and deluxe. 4. Let us see if we get the result. Right click, add new measure as distinct count. Distinct count equal to distinct count, products table, product class. Our new measure is now created. Go to report view, select matrix and select distinct count. See, there we got the result as 4. There are only 4 distinct values in this product column. Let us check that in products category. Click enter. Let us go to the report. See, there are 8 types of product category. If we check the brand name, there are 15 types of brand names. So this is how the function distinct count works. So these are all about the counting function in DAX. Thank you.